All right, your first production is finished, the goods have shipped, and hopefully they're selling successfully. So are we done? Well, hopefully not. Because if the product sells, you're going to reorder, and then you'll reorder again. And as your business grows, you may have eventually have multiple products, multiple suppliers, and several production orders running at the same time. As you know, we have our own e-commerce brands, and I can tell you it is so annoying really to handle those things. I'm happy to have a team who helps doing this. But when you have them running at the same time, even crazy. Now, let me continue a bit. Every time, somebody still needs to communicate with the supplier, confirm the quantities, the specifications, negotiate the prices, monitor production deadlines, organize quality inspections, and coordinate the international logistics. And things and they change over time. Your order quantities, they may increase. Your supplier's prices may change. Freight costs change. Quality can change. And once your purchasing volume grows, you may suddenly have much stronger negotiating power than you had during the first order. So that's why our relationship doesn't have to end after we source the product. If you'd like, Zignify can continue, and we do this for quite a few companies, supporting your reorders and supplier management and helping coordinate production and the quality control and the logistics as your business grows. And periodically, we should also always ask another important question. Can we now get this product cheaper? Maybe your volume has increased enough to renegotiate. Maybe there are better suppliers available. Maybe packaging or logistics can be optimized. So a successful first order shouldn't be the end of the sourcing journey. Ideally, it's the beginning of a long-term supply chain relationship.